Ed, come. What are you removing from the pocket? Let me see. Stand up. Stand up. Let me see.
Can you see what I'm saying? Nigeria ranked the top 10 in examination malpractice. Sad news indeed. This is really one of the highest rank of insults to our educational system. Our dear country, the Republic of Nigeria scored first as the country with the highest and repeatable rates of malpractice. I believe that if Nigeria as a country can make it to the top as number one country of malpractice, then we can still turn it around as number one country with the highest rate of plus students. I think we can share the things together. Yes, when I say we, I mean the federal government and the citizens. Because if the government can't do anything about it, the people can. Do you know that in the last 2012 NACO made free certificate examination, a total of 615 and 10 cases was reported for examination malpractice, while 429 cases was recorded in examination malpractice. Those examination nightmare is being graduated in a slowly complex which organized crime that is being practiced by private and communities that own educational institutions. The causes of examination malpractice are
1. Form moral upbringing of students in society, cause them to engage in examination malpractice. 2. Poor teaching habits of teachers in society, cause them to engage in malpractice. Can you say really quick for a second? And this is what I'm talking about. Lack of motivation of students in society, cause them to get engaged in examination malpractice. 4. Students' involvement in malpractice is caused by poor management under which examination are conducted, such as poor sitting arrangements and
the effects of examination malpractice are very shocking to educational, political development of examination. For example, 2002 identified the effects of examination malpractice as the production of halfway graduates from academic institutions, retarded educational growth, false sense of value and impression, as well as loss of confidence by candidates who are involved in examination malpractice.
How would you feel if you develop a mobile app that will help your preparation for examination very easy?
I'm very glad.
That's why we have created a solution by developing this mobile app to solve this problem which we named mPractice. Why is our app unique? It contains links to educational resources. It's easy to operate. It allows users feedback. It helps students in planning for examination. It contains games that will help subscribers learn in fun ways.
Market and financial plan. 1. Our target users remain students all over the country. 2. Once the app is published on Google Play Store, it will be available for students in or out of school, and it will be downloaded for free at no cost. 3. However, we plan to raise funds from agencies like Ministry of Education as well as school and examination bodies. Thanks.
Projection and milestone. We plan partnering with the regulatory body like the Federal Ministry of Education.
1. The last but not the least, my name is Bilkis Abubakar. With me I have
Agda Glory.
We are